In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a single-page website in Squarespace. If you want a clean, focused site where everything lives on one scrollable page, this walkthrough is for you. The idea is simple. We'll keep your homepage and remove any extra pages so visitors have a single, seamless experience. Before you start, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and you're looking at the correct site if you manage more than one. From your main dashboard, begin by selecting Website. This takes you into the area where you manage your site's design and content. Think of it as your control center. If you ever feel lost in the interface, returning to this website view gets you back on track and lets you reach all the essential tools. Next, open Pages. This is where you can see your site's structure at a glance. You'll typically find sections like Main Navigation, Not Linked, and sometimes Footer. The main navigation holds the pages that appear in your site's menu. Not Linked contains pages that don't show in the menu but still exist on your site. Take a moment to identify your home page. It usually has a home indicator, and it's the page you want to keep for a single page setup. Now, delete the pages you don't need, keeping only the home page. To do this, hover over a page you want to remove, open its options, choose Delete, and confirm. Repeat this for every page in main navigation that isn't your home page. Then check the Not Linked section as well. If there are pages there that you don't plan to use, delete those too. This ensures your site truly functions as a single page rather than hiding extra content out of sight. A quick tip before you confirm deletions. If any page contains content you might want later, consider copying the text or images to a safe place, or duplicating the page first so you can reference it. Deleting a page is intentional, and it helps keep your site lean, but it's smart to preserve anything important. When you're done, your navigation will simplify to just the home page, and your site flow becomes one continuous page. From here, you can organize your home page with sections for hero content, services, testimonials, and contact details. You'll still have full control over styling, spacing, and layout, all within that single page. That's it. You've streamlined your Squarespace site into a single page by opening Website, going to Pages, and removing everything except your home page. Save your changes, give it a quick preview, and you're ready to share a clean, focused site.